Hello friends, let us continue with the chapter called Transformation of Axis. Yesterday we have seen about the translation of axis. Now let us look at rotation of axis. So the orange color given lines are original axis. So whenever the original axis is turned with angle theta, so all the points and their coordinates will change. So let us see. So P coordinates with respect to original axis is small x comma small y. But P coordinates with respect to the transformed axis, that is after rotation, they will change to capital X dash and capital Y dash. We have a matrix like table. So you can use this table to remember the formulas. Small x is equal to capital X dash cos theta minus capital Y dash sin theta. Small y is equal to capital X dash sin theta plus capital Y dash cos theta. So accordingly you can write the formulas. So capital X dash formula is small x cos theta plus small y sin theta, and this Y dash formula also. Now let us look problems on rotation of axis. So when the axes are rotated through an angle theta, find the new coordinates of the following points. So when they are asking us to find the new coordinates, what is that given in the question? They are small x comma small y. And we have to find out capital X dash and Y dash. These are also denoted using capital X and capital Y. So we have formulas. Capital X and capital Y. See, you can always write this and you can easily write the formulas. If you write this table, it will be very easy without confusion. Cos theta minus sin theta, sin theta. So you can simply copy from here. X cos theta, x. What is x? Minus 2. Minus 2 into cos theta is cos 30. Plus y into sin theta. What is sin theta? Sin 30. Here small x, that is minus 2 into minus sin 30, small y, that is 4 into cos 30. You can just simplify them and write the answer. Minus 2 into, what is cos 30 value? Root 3 by 2. Plus 4 into sin 30. What is sin 30? 1 by 2. So 1s are 2s. So the answer is 2 minus root 3. And capital Y form, capital Y also you have to simplify. 2 into, what is sin 30? 1 by 2 plus cos 30. 4 into root 3 by 2. 1 plus 2 root 3. So the coordinates are, the transformed coordinates are 2 minus root 3 and 1 plus 2 root 3.